What if your bank account, your credit card perks, and your crypto wallet all lived in the one place, working together for you? This is informational content sponsored by Crypto.com and should not be considered as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risk, such as volatility and market risks. Before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, do consider your risk appetite. Let's get into it. Alrighty folks, so with the Crypto.com Level Up program, this is an absolute ripper. I just love Crypto.com as an overall service. They're very dependable. They've been in the industry for quite some time, and they are the gold standard when it does come to reputation regulation in cryptocurrency. That is a fact. Basically, you've got finance, trading, and rewards all in one view when you do sign up to use Level Up. This makes it even easier to access investment reward and other spending features, which there are a few of. Now, what Crypto.com do so well is that they essentially bridge boring finance traditionally and lifestyle by making it seamless, stylish, and easy, even if you're an absolute beginner. So it's not just crypto, it's an all-in-one financial ecosystem, and nobody does it better than Crypto.com. They make it highly accessible to everyone, you watching this video out there, not just to traders. They've also got some premium finance benefits as well. They got up to 5% APY cashback on purchases, which is evident here, especially if you're going for the private tier, which gives you between 4 and 6% back on your card spend. And there is a stock and ETFs transfer bonus of up to 3%. Now, you've also got the lifestyle perks already built in, starting with Crow rewards of up to 6% back on purchases, rebates on Netflix and Spotify, as well as free airport lounge access. Subscriptions do start at $4.99 per month USD after that trial period. If you do want to go ahead and get signed up to Level Up with Crypto.com, the link will be at the top of the description of this video and in the pinned comment. Alrighty folks, so what do you reckon? The values here, I'm personally using Level Up myself and have been for some time, and $4.99 per month for all of those perks. You can see it's kind of no-brainer to get involved, but let me know what you think in the comments about Level Up. Really, especially considering that the trading fees are actually waived for all active investors. This just seriously puts it right at the top of one of the best financial products, in my opinion, undeniably, especially in the crypto space right now in 2026. So what are you waiting for? Take your wealth and investing to the next level with Level Up, and finally see today how you can actually merge finance and lifestyle together and have it be enjoyable while you make money. Perfect if you're someone who travels, your everyday user, doesn't matter who you are. If you want to level up your game, get involved today. And please also remember that these videos are for entertainment purposes only, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.